How do we multiply fractions together? Times the top, times the bottom. Okay, so that would be 6x times 10, that's 60x. 5 times 2 is 10. Now, is that my answer? It's not simplified, so I can simplify that. So 10 goes into 10 once, 10 goes into 60 6 times, so my answer is 6x over 1, which you guys should know by now is hopefully just 6x. Everyone happy with that? Okay. That's the long way around, no way. That's the long version. For those that can, if you can identify the short version, that's good. That's what I want you to do. Who can identify the short version there? Jacoby? Well, first of all, you probably look vertically. Is there a common? Can I simplify that? Can I simplify that there? Okay, if you can simplify one of those, that might be easier. So that would be 6x over 5 times 5. That's sort of like 5 over 1 in a way. Now what do you do? Look on the diagonals. 5 and 5. A factor of 5. 5 goes in there once. 5 goes in there once. Leave me with 6x times 1. That's just 6x. 1 times 1 is just 1. There's my answer. Okay. Now I'll go through another example like that. Because can you simplify this one here? Can you simplify that one there? So both cannot be simplified. So we look on the diagonals. 3 goes in there once. 3 goes in there 3 times. Anything else in the diagonals that can simplify? No. So 1x times 4x, what's that? X times x is x squared. So y times 3 is, or 3y. Remember, it's 3y. Happy with that? Okay, that there is exercise 702, page 91. We're going to do shortly. But for those that are up to it, how do I do question C over there? That's not even algebra. How many 5/6 divided by 2/6? What's my answer there? Okay, let's go. If that was my answer there, if that was my question, sorry, what would it be? 5/6 divided by 1/6. Not 5/6. 5. How many 1/6 go into 5/6? 5. Yep, because 1 goes into 5 times. Yep, cool. It's not that question though. How do we do that? We've done it all before. No. Multiplication of fractions. We've done it plenty of times before. So this one here, you change it. So you find the reciprocal, you insert it, and then what do you do with this? Make it a times. Okay, you've done that lots of times. If you don't understand that, you need to come and see me and we can talk about it. Now that's times, is that any different from these questions over here? No, good. Thanks, gentlemen, for being so understanding. Here's my answer, 5/2. 2.5. So what am I going to do with D here? Strange, what am I going to do with D? What do you mean change them over? Well, that's a 7, that's a Z. There's no part of that that ever looks like a 7. That's the line for the Z. If I didn't put that down, what would it look like? Oh, sorry. Yeah, okay, cool. So that's a 2. That's a Z. What's a 7? That's a 7. You can put a dash through it. This is my language. This is my handwriting. Thank you very much. Taking this out of my handwriting. What do you do? Strange. Okay, so we're going to make it 6xy over 7z. And we're going to make it a times z over 3x. Once we're there, it's just that multiplication again. Common factor there, common factor there, common factor there. That leaves you with 2y over 7. There's my answer. Any questions with that stuff? Okay, so tomorrow, what are you doing? That exercise, and then onto that exercise. If you don't know how to do something, what are you going to do? Go to the OneNote, look at that video.